Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about XRP price prediction and XRP news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for XRP in 2022. Now in a nutshell I will talk about XRP. The first step is to distinguish between XRP, Ripple, and RippleNet. XRP is a digital currency powered by the RippleNet digital payment platform, which in turn is built on top of the XRP Ledger distributed ledger database. RippleNet is a private project and is managed by Ripple. The XRP ledger is open source and is based not on the blockchain, but on the previously mentioned distributed ledger database. The idea of the Ripple payment platform was first voiced in 2004 by Ryan Fugger, but the full development of Ripple did not begin until after Jed McCaleb and Chris Larson led the project in 2012. At that time it was still called OpenCoin. The RippleNet ledger is maintained by the global XRP community, of which Ripple is an active member. The XRP ledger processes transactions approximately every 3 to 5 seconds, or whenever independent validating nodes reach a consensus on the order and validity of XRP transactions. This is different from the proof-of-work mining process of Bitcoin, BTC. Absolutely each of you can become a Ripple validator. The XRP coin can be stored in several standard ways. The first way is when stored on the exchange, and the second way is to store XRP in a crypto wallet. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about XRP. Ripple commits 1 billion XRP to expand XRPL developer grants. Crypto payments firm Ripple has announced that it is giving out 1 billion XRP as part of a grants programs aimed at helping support up-and-coming developers for the open-source XRP ledger. According to Ripple, the grants program is set out for distribution over the coming 10 to 20 years and will be granted as supporting resources for projects creating payment-oriented applications and technologies. Based on current pricing, the funding amounts to roughly $790 million. Aside from this latest announcement, Ripple has already been providing a grants program through its XRPL grant discovery-related motions. The SEC disagrees. The SEC believes that such a briefing schedule is premature, given that the individual defendants have yet to answer the complaint and plead affirmative defenses, and respectfully requests that the court direct the parties to meet and confer regarding a summary judgment schedule once the SEC has advised the court of its position on the need for additional discovery. The response from the SEC, that a summary judgment schedule in mid-May is premature, is unsurprising. The plaintiff has systematically delayed the lawsuit in what is perceived as an attempt to frustrate Ripple's wishes of putting the lawsuit behind it. Delay tactics are, probably, the SEC's biggest leverage against Ripple in the SEC v. Ripple case. The defendants have successfully presented their case in a way that shows intention to abide by the rules. The SEC, however, has been plagued by infighting and embarrassment for the many contradictions and inconsistencies throughout the litigation, with Hinman's personal opinions versus public guidance being a highlight. The most recent controversy was the SEC's latest filing as it tries to introduce a supplemental expert report despite being against the rules. And second news about top cryptocurrency prices today. Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Shiba Inu gain up to 7%. Major altcoins outperformed crypto majors, despite a hawkish commentary from Jerome Powell. Barring stablecoins, all top digital tokens were trading higher on Tuesday. XRP zoomed 7%, followed by a 6% rise in Cardano. Avalanche jumped 5%, whereas Ethereum and pathfinding functionality also allows assets to find an efficient path for a trade. Data from DeFi indicates multi-chain is the second bridge in terms of total value locked, TVL. OmiWrap Bitcoin, WBTC, a solution that enables BTC transactions in the DeFi sector, stands on top with $12 billion in TVL. Bridges are popular solutions for DeFi users. However, they are considered vulnerable in terms of security. Several of these solutions have been hit by the bad actors over the past year. Multichain lost $3 million in bridge assets back in January. Fortunately, a white hacker managed to retrieve the funds. Ripple moves for summary judgment in SEC case. Is the end finally near? Upland listened to this article 0:3021 Bain words in the long-running legal dispute with the U.S. securities regulator. Ripple has asked the court to deny the SEC's motion for yet another time extension. Today, defense lawyer James K. Filan tweeted a copy of a letter from the Ripple defense team requesting Judge Netburn refuse an extension of the March 23 discovery deadline. They say the SEC has delayed resolution of this case long enough and call for summary judgment. The SEC has nowhere to go. The SEC filed against Ripple in December 2020 over allegations that it illegally sold $1.3 billion in unregistered securities to retail investors. In response, Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse called it an attack on crypto in the US and questioned why the agency has never, in 3 years of asking, given clarity on what constitutes a security. With that, he vowed to fight the case. Had been granted a permit. Sberbank had, long prior to Russia's invasion of Ukraine, originally hoped to launch a stablecoin project in the spring of 2021, but it later sought to modify the nature of its offering. The central bank, however, has repeatedly claimed that there are more questions than answers when it comes to the issuance of stablecoins by banks, Interfax noted. It is unclear and unlikely at this stage as to whether the exchanges might be allowed to offer crypto trading functions for assets such as Bitcoin, BTC. No mention of this was made by the banks. But what is clear is that the banks and fintech firms see the move as an opportunity to at least begin on a path toward token and blockchain integration. Ripple is still going through difficult times. Until the litigation with the SEC is completed, the coin rate will jump. Let's take a look at what leading cryptocurrency experts have to say about Ripple's value in 2022 and 2023. Today we will analyze forecasts from leading cryptocurrency experts such as Trading Beasts, Wallet Investor, CryptoGround, Changelly. Long forecast. The forecasts from Trading Beasts analysts are as follows regarding the XRP rate for 2022 are positive. Starting the year at $1.58, the average predicted coin price will rise to $1.62 by December. A sharp increase is not expected, but a steady uptrend is always a positive factor for investors. The next forecast from Wallet Investor regarding the price of Ripple is also encouraging. Experts predict that the price of the coin will be above $1.70 for most of the year. By the end of the year, the XRP rate will cross the $2 mark. The maximum price will not exceed $2.50. At the same time, CryptoGround analysts expect Ripple to rise. Experts predict a bullish trend for 2022. However, there will also be a significant decline. By June, the price will be around $1.28. By the end of 2022, Ripple will reach $1.85. According to the Changelly platform, the Ripple price has strengthened thanks to the support of several large investors, and a number of partnership agreements and various events with crypto companies indicate that many believe in XRP. Recent XRP price predictions and price dynamics could improve significantly towards the end of the year, unlike other major coins such as BTC and ETH. Ripple may even break its previous record of $3.84. Well, the last forecast from Long Forecast, they provided the so-called bullish forecast for Ripple for 2022. Price volatility will be high. The price of the coin will change in the range of $1.53–1.87. Moving on, you can see that although the price of XRP will not reach new highs, the cryptocurrency will not disappear. What awaits Ripple in 2023? In 2023, Trading Beasts analysts expect the price of XRP to decline. Over the course of the year, the average XRP United States dollar exchange rate will drop from $1.62 to $1.58. The maximum price will be slightly above the $2 mark until October. The minimum exchange rate will not fall below $1.34. Wallet Investor is pretty positive about the future of XRP. The average price will be above $2 throughout the year. XRP United States dollar will start the year at $2.23. By the last day of 2023, the price will reach $2.8. The XRP forecast from CryptoGround is still optimistic. Despite a slight decline at the beginning of the year, the cryptocurrency is expected to reach $2.37 by 2024. The penultimate forecast from the